In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a group Outlook calendar as an ICS link. Open Outlook and sign in with your admin account. Once you're in Outlook, go to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Settings panel on the right side. In the left sidebar of that panel, click Calendar. Then click Shared Calendars. Now scroll down until you reach the section called Publish a Calendar. Open the Calendar drop-down list here. At this point, notice that only your personal calendars appear in the list. The group calendar is not listed, so you cannot publish it from the settings page directly. After confirming that, close the settings panel. Next, open Windows PowerShell. With PowerShell open, type the install command shown in the pinned comment. Take your time here and enter the command exactly as shown, because this installs the module needed to manage the calendar publishing settings from PowerShell. When the full command is typed in, press Enter. If PowerShell asks whether you want to install from an untrusted repository, type uppercase Y, then press Enter again. The module will begin downloading and installing. This part takes a few seconds, so wait for the installation to finish and for the PowerShell prompt to return. Now type the connect command shown in the pinned comment using your admin email address in the command where required. Enter the full command carefully, then press Enter. A sign-in window will appear. Complete the sign-in process with your admin account and go through any authentication prompts that appear. If there are additional verification steps, complete those as well. Once the connection is successful, PowerShell shows a confirmation message, and then the prompt returns so you can continue. The next part is checking the current sharing policy. Type the check command from the pinned comment exactly as shown, then press Enter. PowerShell returns the current sharing policy information. Look through the output and check whether it includes an entry called Anonymous. If the output does not include Anonymous, type the update command from the pinned comment and then press Enter. This changes the tenant sharing policy so anonymous calendar publishing is allowed. By default, Microsoft 365 blocks anonymous calendar publishing, so this step is what makes it possible to generate a public ICS link for the group calendar. Wait for the command to complete and for the PowerShell prompt to return. Now type the publish command for the group calendar exactly as shown in the pinned comment. This command tells Exchange to publish that specific group calendar to the internet with full event details visible. Enter the command carefully so the correct calendar is targeted, then press Enter. After the command runs, the group calendar is set for publishing. In this setup, full event details are visible in the published calendar feed. The publishing level can also be set differently, but here the command is publishing the calendar with full details, so continue once the prompt returns. Next, type the command to retrieve the calendar link using the version shown in the pinned comment. Enter the command fully and carefully, then press Enter. PowerShell will return output for the published group calendar. In that output, find the property called Published iCal URL. This is the ICS subscription link you need. The link will appear as a long Outlook address ending with calendar.ics. Select that full URL directly from the PowerShell output and copy it. The output also shows that publishing is enabled, with Publish Enabled set to True, along with the published iCal URL containing the subscription link. That copied ICS link is the one anyone can use to subscribe to the group calendar from a calendar app that supports ICS feeds. Once subscribed, the calendar updates automatically as new events are added to the group calendar, although updates may appear after a delay of a few hours depending on the subscribing app. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.